Well, now we're on section 10.7. We're doing question 13. Here we have a series and power series, and we want to know if this converges and on what interval it converges and the radius of convergence and so on, where it converges absolutely, where it converges conditionally. So first let's rewrite this in a form that might assist us, and that's 4 is the same as 2 squared to the nth power. That gives us 2 to the 2nth, x to the 2nth over n. And this equals, if we combine these two bases on the top, equals 1. What we get is 2x to the 2n. Now, in order for this thing to converge, this product here has to be less than 1, the absolute value of it. So we'll write the absolute value of 2x is less than 1 and dispense with the absolute value bars. So we get minus 1 is less than 2x, which is less than 1. Now we'll divide each interval by 2, and we've isolated x. And so it's going to converge on the interval -1/2 to 1/2, and so our radius of convergence is 1/2. And it will converge absolutely. So we've taken care of part A here. For B, it will converge absolutely on this interval. -1/2 is less than x, which is less than 1/2. On the other hand, if we let x be -1/2, we'll have a -1. 2 times -1/2 is -1. But then we square that. We raise it to the 2nth power. So ultimately, this numerator will always be positive, even at -1/2. And so consequently, on what interval or for what value does it converge conditionally? None. There is no value for which it converges conditionally. And we are done.